Lorraine Kelly, 62, took to Instagram today to share her progress after joining Zumba again after 2 years. The ITV star filmed a video in the dance studio after her class to give her 468,000 followers an update on her life outside of work. She could be seen smiling broadly as she pointed out how red her face was after the exercise session. Lorraine said, "Right, that's my first Zumba class in 2 years and it was fantastic, but look at my face. But I'm coming back tomorrow. It feels great and I feel like I'm back on track." The TV presenter captioned the post, "First fitness class in over 2 years. Knackered but so much fun. Finally on way to feeling healthier and happier. At WW. UK #healthy #fun." Fans were quick to rush to the comments section to congratulate her on her new fitness journey. Cathcardis said, Lorraine, well done. Love your face, shows just how hard you've worked, but also love your smile and laugh at the end. You smashed it." 20 Lewis_Wonderland added, "Fantastic effort, Lorraine. You have inspired me to rejoin WW this morning and I have just done 40 minutes swimming, so, thank you." Jill's Muse joked, "I say to my Zumba teacher that if I don't leave like a sweaty tomato then her playlist wasn't hard enough. I always leave like a sweaty tomato." Such a great mood-lifting workout. XCatVinvo7 penned, "Well done. Looks like you had a good workout. I just went back recently after a 2-year absence. It's hard." Lorraine recently opened up on her weight loss journey after she realized she had put on weight during the coronavirus pandemic. She told the Mirror, "I know that I've really got a little bit of work to do, and I need help. I don't feel like myself anymore. I knew that if I didn't do something I'd be a 16, and then I'd be an 18. There is nothing wrong with being a size 14, but my body is supposed to be a 10. On Lorraine, we have models who are size 14, 16, 18, and they are perfectly proportioned, they're perfectly healthy. I've got friends that are teeny tiny, and that's great, that's where they're supposed to be." She added, "But I'm supposed to be a 10. If was an 8, I wouldn't look good. But I was a 14 and just not feeling healthy. It's about how you feel, and what's good for you."